Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the official Samsung cases for your Galaxy Note 9. Now all of these cases you could get from Samsung.com. You can also pick them up on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $40 to $65. Alright, so let's get right into it. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. First up, we got the silicone cover. Now this one is going to run you $40. Comes in a few different colors. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? Spider-Man. Here we go. Rah. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. $40 on this one. Simple silicone case. Nice matte feel on this one. No fingerprints. Rah. Has a nice felt material on the inside. I like this one. Look out, shoes. Scoot, scoot. Now this one comes in a bunch of different colors. I went with the white one. Let's see what it looks like. Slaps on real easy. Let's check the razivity on this one. Nice amount of razivity. Slam Boy certified. Scoot, scoot. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Let's check that fingerprint sensor on deck. And let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Let me put my code in so y'all can make sure this fingerprint sensor works. All right, here we go. No problems with that. And you can get to your S Pen nice and smooth. All right, so this is the silicone cover. This one is going to run you $40. Let me do a smell test on this. Why not? Smells fresh. All right, let's keep it moving. Silicone cover. What we got next? All right, so next up, we got the rugged protective cover. Now this one is also going to run you $40. Let's see anything we need to look at. Shoes, what are you doing? Let's see our military grade ruggedized design. Kickstand that folds into the back cover. Simple enough. Here we go. Plug it and file it. Rugged case. Now I was rocking this one on my S9 Plus. I'm definitely feeling this one. This is the most rugged case that you're going to get from Samsung. There's your kickstand. And this is one of those real kickstands. Snaps back into place. Slap the note on and see what it looks like. Now check this one out. This one is going to give you full razivity all the way around. Slam Boy certified. S Pen. Easy to get to. Check the power button. There's your buttons. Fingerprint sensor. Easy to reach. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Now, if you look at the bottom, everything is protected. Everything is in and nice and deep. This one has a rugged feel to it. You see that texture on the back? Let's check that kickstand. There's your kickstand. When you want to watch your videos, let's do the shake test. Kickstand is not going to flap open. This one is a go. Now, this is the perfect case to rock to the gym, rock to your construction sites, rock it to work every day. It's not going to change colors. And it's just super rugged. All right, so that's the rugged case. Let's keep it moving. Little stick on the inside. Rah! Let's see what we got next. Now, I'm going to try to make this quick. Okay, now this one right here. Check this one out. We got the genuine Italian leather wallet cover. Now this one is going to run you $60. Comes in a few different colors. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, let's see what this looks like. File all that. Here we go. Rah. Whew, now look at this. Of course I went with the red version. Look at that Samsung branding. There's your plus and minus, volume up and down. There's your Bixby button. Got a little cutout on the front. So once you answer it to make a phone, once you get a phone call and you answer it, close the cover back and you can just talk right through the case. On the inside, you do have a little slot for a credit card. Slap the note in to see what it looks like. Just like that. Now, of course, I got to do the smell test on this one. This is that real leather. I had Italian leather on deck. There's your wireless charge. Let's do that again with it opened up. Okay, wireless charge on deck. Easy to get to your S Pen. Let's check the buttons. Now the side is wide open, so you got your buttons. There's your fingerprint sensor. Basically just a nice Italian leather style case. Now 60 bucks, that ain't bad. On a side note, y'all know the new iPhone is coming out next week. So for the rest of this week, I'm going to focus on all of the Galaxy Note 9 cases. I got a bunch of them on deck. If these cases are too pricey for you, don't worry. I got some cheap ones coming too. But you spent 1,200 bucks, you want the official tissue, get something like this. All right, let's keep it moving. Italian leather. I like that. All right, so what we got next? Let's take it over to the S-View flip cover. Now, this is a classic one right here. This is going to run you 60 bucks. Comes in a few different colors. Whew, now, look at this one. This one kind of looks like a mirror on the front. Let's slap it into Thanos to see what it looks like. Perfect match if you got that purple joint. Let me get a little wipe down. And if you notice, now you probably can't, okay, let me try to get the right angle. You can see right through the case. There's your always on display. Open this up. Now this does turn into a little kickstand. Just like that. Watch your videos, do what you do. Let's check the power button on deck. Fingerprint sensor. No problems. Let's see if we can see wireless charge through the case. Right through the case, see that wireless charge. Let's see if we can screen write with the case on. No screen write with the case on, but if you notice, it is interactable. All right, well, actually the bottom is wide open. Top got a little bit of protection. Wireless charge on deck. Now the bottom is wide open. Got a little bit of protection on the top. Easy access to your S Pen. No problems. Let's get a little wipe down. Best part about this case is that you can see through it and it's functional. All right, so this is the S-View flip cover. 60 bucks. Comes in a few different colors. Let's keep it moving. All right. What else we got? One more. Now, this is the most expensive one. This is the LED wallet cover. Comes in a few colors. This one is going to run you 65 bucks. Let's check this one out. Okay, got a little plastic right here. Little plastic struggles. All right, check this out. Now, this one has a nice textured feel to it. Looks beautiful. There's your plus and minus, volume up and down, Bixby button, all your cutouts. Bottom is wide open. A little bit of protection on the top. Inside, got a nice soft feeling material. Not going to scratch up your phone. You do have a little slot for your credit cards. Matter of fact, drop the blue joint on, Dr. Manhattan. And here we go. Check this out. Now, this is why you're buying this case. The LEDs on the front. You see I got a message right there. Let's hit the button. There's the time. Open it up. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. No problems with that. There's your power button. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. Now let me do this with the case open so y'all can see. All right, let's try that one more time. With the case open. There's your wireless charge. Now this one is pretty dope. Check this out. When you plug it in, watch this animation. There's your battery charge animation with the actual percentage. Now you get your missed calls, notifications, you get the weather. You can also go to settings. When you get different phone calls, you can change the animations. Now y'all seen this 1,000 times. I'm not going to waste your time going through all of that. This one just looks dope, especially at nighttime, or if you're not sitting under these super bright lights, you're going to like this LED case. You don't have to charge the case. No batteries necessary. It uses the battery from your phone. This is actually my favorite one. All right, so check this out. Let me show you what it looks like when you're getting a phone call. That looks pretty sick. Now the number's actually going to come up. If I want to, I can swipe and answer, or I can decline. You see, I'm right on the call now. Once I hang up, just like that. One more thing I want to show you with this case. All right, check this out. Now say you're playing some music. We'll hit play. Close it up. You got your EQ animation. That's pretty sick. Missed call, missed message. There's your time. Back to the EQ. All right, so this is the LED wallet cover. One more thing I want to show you. Now, if you like me and you got heavy hands, there's a chance you're going to break your S Pen at some point. Now, if you notice, I'm rocking the black one. I broke my S Pen, pulling it out too fast. One thing people will tell you, the top of this S Pen is a little bit flimsy. So you got to be careful when you're yanking it in and out. Giggity. So, if you happen to break your S Pen, they do sell replaceable S Pens. Now, I got this on Amazon. These are going to run you $50. So if you notice, I got the copper one, and I got another black one. I just have these on deck. Let's pop one open and see what it looks like. Rah, rah. One more. Rah. Just so you get an idea what you're getting for your $50. All right, now let me be gentle. Here we go. Replacement S Pen. Now, if you're wondering why this is $50 instead of the $10 ones, this one does have the Bluetooth functionality. So we can take this one out, swap it right in. Just like that. $50. Anyway, these are official Samsung cases. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And on the side note, y'all know the new iPhone is coming out this week. So for the next couple of days, I'm just going to focus on all of the Galaxy Note 9 cases. Now, I got a bunch of them. So we're going to do UAG, Caseology, Incipio, Poetic. We got some dope leather ones coming. Got a bunch of them. All right, so we'll get into those this week. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.